Wow.
To attack her hand.
Well, go. Hi.
Hey guys.
This one is dedicated to
Bob.
Because we have a on Monday.
Ring.
Really, I'll give someone back and people don't.
Okay, what were you talking about?
this is dedicated to somebody. I can't remember their name. I think it was like Captain Doodle or something. Well, anyway, it's dedicated. Let go of me. We're not ready. It's dedicated to a dude named Captain Doodle or whatever, and I dedicated to him because he loves this show because it's really awesome. Yeah, he likes it, and so it's dedicated to you. So let's begin.
Okay, hold on, just a second, guys. Okay, you guys noticed that the last show we did, it was pouring rain.
Yeah,
it's sunny now. It's sunny.
And there's birdies.
Hey, Tweet. Wait, here's a birdie.
And Carlos is. Well, anyhow, very sunny today, and there are
sweating.
yeah, we're gonna be. As you can tell, my cousins and uncles and aunts
want me to do it and you can go in?
Still,
No, I'm fine.
You want me to be in it?
Yeah. Why?
Fine.
I never knew that had a bad word.
Hey, why do you have my camera? Okay, so as you can see, this one is very crazy today. You know what? I hate you.
How many times have you had?
No, bad.
No, I'm sorry. She hated me. Well, anywho, as you can tell, this is...
Wow, that's way too close to your face. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Well, as you can tell, this has been a very extremely crazy day with cousins and aunts and everyone and people getting in the way. Stop it! Stop! I'm not having fun, okay?
Don't look at your head.
Well, it's very sunny and we're all happy, right? Right?
I felt like I just died and came back. I was coughing.
Well, anyway, this one was very, very stupid. That was dedicated to that one weird guy.
Captain McDoodle person.
Okay. Get your hand off my head. I'm not having very much fun.
No, not exactly.
Well,
I never said I was going to stop recording at the moment.
yeah.
You gotta be randomness.
What? What is?
Well,
And guess what? I'm not wearing awesome socks. It's just white and boring.
you suck.
Yes, I know I do.
Just me.
Hold on, you guys, stop it! Wow, Laura.
Give me that shoe back! I got a shoe! I got a shoe! Give me back my shoe! No, hey! Give me back my shoe! The one holding the shoe and trying to keep it away from me.
I'm trying to help you.
Got my shoe back. I got my shoe back. Well, that was interesting. Ow! So,
Want to come this way?
I have no idea what to do next.
I just got beat up.
I recorded
So much.
No, some of it, not most of it. If you got it.
Here, you didn't get this.
I'm stupid. You're
No, that's just scary. Turn around.
Oh, they're like holding hands and swinging arms. It's really scary.
Ewy.
Jeremiah and his girlfriend. Yeah, and they're holding
How can
hands.
Jeremiah have a girlfriend? He's disgusting.
Apparently Kayla likes him. And goldfish are cuttlefish.
Oh my God! And those were Jeremiah and John. Jeremiah and John. They're very.
That was Jacob.
And
Jacob. Oh, it's Jeremiah and Jacob. They're very. Shut up!
Get your hands on my shoulders.
Only I can.
Well, the bell rang, and I have no idea what.
That was the high school bell.
Well, so I have nothing to do. I don't know what to do.
Kristen! Say hi to YouTube. Ah, she's so short.
Got a shiny thing, you see? It's shiny.
Yay.